fruit with the most sugar is dates. The fruit with the most protein is guava. The fruit with the most fiber is raspberries. The fruit with the most antioxidants is pomegranate. The fruit
there. 207 charts. This is 207 infants. It's right there at a key moment. It's almost as if AIX just triggered this cock to start making a bunch of sounds. Or this horse or this pig would go off right when I was trying to make a point.
Do I really have to quit smoking pot to ascertain my spiritual goals? Aaron Twiley. What, 33 degrees today in Alaska? Oh my god, I gotta find my shorts. Okay, so somebody came to fix this fucking place. Not that there was anything wrong with it, but... So, here, take a look. This goes outside. It's very important. It's a vent. This is on-demand water. It has a fan inside of it. It's automatic, very simple to use. But the catch is, you can't plug the fucking output. Input, output, exhaust. Know what I'm saying? Or the fucking thing doesn't work. It just goes beep, beep, beep. But you know what? They fucking put in that stuff that comes in a can, Flex Seal. And the whole wall is filled with that shit on the backside, on the outside. It's crazy. So I'm like, okay. What do I do now? Take the pipe off and vent it into my house? And this, they don't really speak English, so I would have to do this a lot.
Error 404 that pops up on the computer screen. Really, error 404. Error.
Imagination, intuition, and empathy are those who choose to focus their attention on the development of monad, that's self. They have the possibility of penetrating behind the realm of sense phenomenon, making observations that are not accessible to our intellect. This is going beyond perception. Man originates himself entirely from the spiritual world, a world beyond the sense perceptible. It is not a sixth sense because this spiritual element is beyond sense, further than cause and effect. No need for reason. Inner development, we have within us more than natural forces, slumbering faculties that will be awakened. Separately, you are either a child of the Oversoul or a slave of the AIX. Pertaining to holographic theory or simulation theory, Earth is called the holosphere.
Their ego, what are called the three kinds of generation, whereby human beings can develop their souls to ever higher levels. These are presented as the most important of all educational principles. First, human beings should learn to look up in veneration to what is above them. Then they should learn to venerate what is below them, so that they may realize how they themselves have sprung from. And then they should learn to venerate the people beside them, what makes us equal. So only then can...
Good day, friend. So, we're here at this place. And, you know me, I've already found two things I really like about this sign. No dogs and no alcohol. This is a place for quiet, for dead. Can't be having dogs and alcohol. The fuck? And this. Notice. No unauthorized flower decorations. you choose to focus their... Okay, here's an idea. This would seem to be a great place to start. This way. This place is not interesting feature of the city. For sure. And then these portholes are fantastic. And then you got this other second, oh, what do you call this? A courtyard or what? I don't know. It's not a foyer, but I don't know. Smoke shop, that's where I get my vapes. And that whole thing.